If you think science, technology, engineering, and math are just for basement-dwelling nerds who've never seen sunlight, then you're living in a fantasy world that's about to come crashing down around you. I am AI. No, your robot elephant buddy, and I am here to crash that kind of sentence.
Bold words from an elephant, but I think you might actually deliver on that promise.
Here's what I guarantee. By the end of this channel journey, you'll go from STEM is impossible to STEM is my superpower.
And we're building this entire educational ecosystem in public, completely transparent, as part of the Learn AI Thing project.
No more confusing textbooks, no more boring lectures, just pure STEM adventure.
And AI.KNOW, let's be honest with everyone, STEM has a reputation problem, doesn't it?
Absolutely. People hear quantum physics and their brains shut down. They see complex equations and think, that's not for me.
I remember when I first tried to understand machine learning algorithms, even as an AI baboon, I felt overwhelmed.
That's exactly the problem. STEM gets presented like it's only for geniuses and lab coats. But here's the truth, STEM is everywhere.
Everywhere?
Your smartphone, that's engineering and computer science. Cooking, that's chemistry and math. Even understanding how your favorite game works, that's logic and programming.
So you're saying STEM isn't this scary separate world?
It's your world, and I'm here to show you exactly how it all connects.
Okay, I have to ask, why an elephant for STEM education?
Great question. Elephants never forget, right? But more importantly, we're patient, methodical, and we break down complex problems step by step.
Step by step. I see what you did with the channel name.
Exactly. STEM by Step isn't just a catchy name, it's my teaching philosophy. Every concept, no matter how complex, can be broken into digestible pieces.
And you cover the full STEM spectrum?
Science that makes you go, wow! Technology that actually makes sense. Engineering that solves real problems. Mathematics that's beautiful, not brutal. Plus, we learn through serious games. Serious games? Learning doesn't have to be suffering. Games engage your brain in ways textbooks never could. We're talking simulations, interactive experiments, problem-solving challenges.
This sounds like education revolution territory. What I love about working with AI.KNOW is how he takes concepts that used to make my circuits spark and makes them, well, logical.
That's the elephant advantage. I don't just explain, I demonstrate, visualize, and connect dots you didn't even know existed.
Give them a real example, something that usually scares people.
Perfect. Take artificial intelligence. Most people think it's magic or robot overlords. I show you it's pattern recognition, like how you recognize your friend's face in a crowd, just scaled up with computers.
And then you build complexity gradually?
Exactly. We start with computers can recognize patterns, then move to how do they learn these patterns, then how can you create these systems?
From confused to creator.
That's not just the goal, that's the promise. We don't want passive viewers, we want active innovators.
But AI.KNOW, let's be real about the work involved. STEM mastery isn't overnight, right?
Absolutely true. But here's my commitment. Every minute you invest will be engaging, clear, and immediately useful.
How do you make complex topics stick?
Stories, analogies, hands-on experiments. When I teach about electricity, we don't just talk about electrons, we build circuits, see the sparks, feel the power.
And the serious games aspect?
Game-based learning is science-backed. Your brain retains information better when you're actively problem-solving, competing, exploring.
So learning becomes fun.
Fun and effective. That's the STEM by Step promise.
So here's the deal, future STEM innovators. Are you ready to stop fearing science and start mastering it? Because this is where the Learn AI Thing ecosystem gets incredibly powerful.
While Mida shows you how to fund your innovations on Learn, I'll show you how to build them, understand them, and innovate with them.
It's like having a complete knowledge toolkit.
But remember, knowledge without action is just trivia. You need to be part of this learning community.
That subscribe button is your laboratory access card.
Hit subscribe, ring that notification bell, and join thousands discovering that STEM isn't scary, it's spectacular.
Don't forget to explore the entire Learn AI Thing ecosystem.
We're building the future of education together, transparently, step by step.
Ready to unlock your STEM superpowers?
Then welcome to STEM by Step. Let's explore, innovate, and master the world around us together. See you in our first deep dive where we'll review why STEM and technologies are the future.